Manatua le pese le nei wale mauai se no folele wala lele mai o foliga laulisi tu atu aita hoane igalo le mafutaga watashi lava oe ile agaga ne ifa agalo mai lo utagata Manatua upu matala Se Tali Mai Se Tali Mai Hamai lo fatu te moe ai Se Tali Mai Se Tali Mai Hamai lo lima Tama sani leponei Ta utala noa fa'alelei Tu uma ilo lima ilo utau au Musu musu mai o italo au Tali Mai, I've been waiting and pacing. I'm tracing the shape of your name in the rain. Every syllable spilled from your lips is a scripture, a picture I frame in my brain. On my low fatu, I'm asking, no masking the part of my heart that I guarded in vain. Give me your heart, let me hold it. I told you I showed her the cold and the weight and the pain. Wala lele mai ofoliga. Your face is the grace that erases the darkness I carry. Buried the doubt when you walked in the talking. Got quiet, the silence is sacred. We married, our spirits collided. Decided that nothing could sever the tether. We knitted and threaded. Lutao out, your shoulder's the place that I lean when the world gets obscene and I'm dreading it. I'm my hand in my hand, understand I'm a better man standing beside you. Naifa Agalo might never forget what we started. Departed from everything, hiding the truth. What's in my sign? We're used to this now, but I'm still in the clouds when you look at me sideways. Oh, your beautiful face sets the pace, and I chase every word that your eyes say. Threaded your flower with power, so I low say. Every hour I'm devoured by how you're the reason I'm breathing today. Musu, musu, mai. Mumbling soft, I'm in love with the sound of you calling my name. So you walk with me, talk with me, let me adore you. I'm yours, I remain.